Out here by the Johns Pass Bridge. Just got hooked up with a tarpon, I think it is, on the swim bait on 30-40. Haven't seen it yet. It's either a black drum or a tarpon. There it is, it's gonna jump. Got him on the swim bait. Out here solo, nobody on the boat. You want to try to put as much pressure on these fish as you can to get them to the boat quick. Helps them with the release. Definitely a caught fish. On the swim bait. Nice little guy. Woo! And there's the release, folks. On the swim bait. Johns Pass. Out here by the Johns Pass Bridge still. I think I got a black drum. Can't see it. Look at that. On the swim bait. Second fish today on a swim bait. I think I got a tarpon. Pretty sure it's a tarpon. Gotta be a tarpon, right? Gonna jump. That's a redfish. Unbelievable. Redfish on a swim bait. Right here at Johns Pass. It's the third different species of fish I caught on a swim bait this morning. And they don't even make these anymore. Look at that. That's pretty cool. We got a measuring tape. Oh, I got a measuring tape. Look at that.
Oh! Bye-bye.
It's an oyster. Right there. On it, and sometimes they'll drop it. And you gotta reel like crazy.
It's a race! Oh! Flipper won again!
Never see kudas right here. Look how big that, he was big.
It's coming back.
Yeah. was a nice snapper.
Look how big the head is.
I know.